Thank you very much. Thank you. Appreciate everybody being here. Beautiful day in the Rose Garden. Tremendous distance between chairs. Social distancing. You practice it very well. We appreciate it. That's great. I want to start today by highlighting several critical developments on both the testing and treatment that will help us win our war against the coronavirus. On Friday, the FDA authorized a new test developed by Abbott Labs that delivers lightning-fast results in as little as 5 minutes. That's a whole new ballgame. I want to thank Abbott Labs for the incredible work they've done. They've been working around the clock. Normally, this approval process from the FDA would take 10 months and even longer, but we did it in 4 weeks. Abbott has stated that they will begin delivering 50,000 tests each.
This is your emergency alert system from your local authorities that reported from your area having the coronavirus COVID-19 outbreak. This is not a drill. This is your COVID-19 outbreak / coronavirus outbreak. It will keep doing this until we do emergency action termination. This is not a drill / test. I repeat, this is not a drill / test. I repeat, one more time. This is not a drill / test. This is your emergency or broadcast system / emergency alert system. There's people that are watching this video or receiving this broadcast. Tune in to 8 o'clock for more information. I will be speaking on 8 o'clock, so stay tuned to 8 o'clock. And your government, thanks for your participation. And this is now concluded the emergency alert system / emergency broadcast system, COVID-19 outbreak. Stay safe and wash your hands.
Works. It may not, but we may have some incredible results. We're going to know soon. So it's being tested on 1,100 people in New York. The FDA is also allowing the emergency use of a blood-related therapy called convalescent plasma as an experimental treatment for seriously ill patients. This treatment involves taking blood plasma from patients who have already recovered from the virus. So they're recovered, they're strong.